What's the meaning of bathing suit? Bathing suit. Bathing suit.
Bathing suit. Bathing suit. A bathing suit, also known as a swimsuit or swimwear, is a garment specially designed for people to wear while engaging in water-based activities. Typically made of materials such as nylon, spandex, and polyester, bathing suits come in a variety of styles and designs, including one-piece, two-piece, and even bikinis. Bathing suits are commonly worn at the beach, swimming pools, and other water-related recreational locations. The purpose of a bathing suit is to provide comfort, support, and coverage for the wearer while they participate in water sports, sunbathe or relax by the water. They are an essential item for anyone who enjoys swimming or spending time in the water.